everybody, I'm right here. Today we're gonna cut cabbage and I'm gonna teach you guys how to grow it in water, okay? Get your cabbage. I know what kind of knife I'm using. Please don't judge me. And cut your cabbage. Just about this far down, okay? This is what you have in the center. This right here is what you want. We're going to take and peel off some of these. We're going to expose the bottom part. This is where all the roots are going to grow. And you can cook these, okay? So you want about this much of your rooting system to show. Then we're gonna get some water. I like to use bottled water just because we use a lot of it here. So here's my bottled water. I'm gonna take a cup. Just pour your water in there. These are all bottles of water that I've used for planting. And then just take it and sit it in the water. I'm gonna actually get some more water. So we're gonna pour some more water in here. But be careful because if you pour too much, it'll spill over, of course. So be mindful of that. But all you want touching that water is the rooting system. So I don't know if you guys can see that. That's just the bottom, that piece that I put in there. And then you just set it in a sunny area. That's it. We're gonna do it again with this other one. I'm actually going to cook this. So that's gonna go over there. This is a purple cabbage and it's the same situation. There's the rooting system there. And I just got these from the store the other day. So I'm just showing you how to grow them on your own. So there's the bottom of that. Just gonna take off these bottom pieces, probably some more, we'll see. This one seems like it's a little bit more fragile than the regular cabbage, so we're gonna be careful not to rip any pieces of the rooting system. Okay, I think that's enough there. You can see the bottom there. Pour my water in here. If you are using faucet water, I would suggest that you let the faucet water sit for at least 24 hours so that you're getting all the chlorine and everything out of it. There's that there. You don't want the chlorine in your water. And then I'm just gonna let this sit. In about 3 weeks, you will get something that looks a little bit like this. You can see the rooting system down there. There's some roots, beautiful white roots. It is going to turn a little brown on the bottom. So if you see that happen, please don't be alarmed by it. It is doing what it's supposed to do. And on the top, we've got one cabbage. There's two. Let's keep turning this. 3, 4, 5 cabbages. So out of one cabbage, I'm gonna get 5 out of this one. And in 6 weeks, it'll look something like this. And this particular cabbage has one, I think it is one, two, three, four over here, 5 cabbages. Five cabbages growing out of it. This one is brown on the bottom, but that is expected again because that is the rooting system. It's supposed to be that way. I will probably, I'm thinking about either probably continuing to grow them in water or transplanting them to some soil. That is how you grow cabbage in water. We will continue this journey. I will let you guys see how it's going. I thank you guys for showing up today. I appreciate you. Can't wait to see what your cabbage looks like. Like, comment, and subscribe. Any questions that you have, please put it in the comments so that I can help you on your journey. And please hit that notification bell so that every time I post a video, you'll be able to get it as well. We'll see you next time, guys. Bye.